Isang magandang biyernes sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang October 15, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Kalahating buwan na po tayo ng Oktubre at 71 days na lang Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. And I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa MWIDE. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, Friday, ika-15 ng Oktubre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's go to our financial headlines first from BDO Securities, and let's enlarge that. Yan. So sabi ni Okta, all Metro Manila LGUs now at moderate risk for COVID-19. Then House realigns 65.5 billion in 2022 budget. Then, in our sectoral news, Smart claims lead in 5G network rollout. DOE denies MERS bid to exempt deals from CSP. CSP means competitive selection process. So, maaring bidding po ito, no? Another word for bidding, yung competitive selection process. MPTC expands business outside toll road industry. So we'll take a look at MPI later. Then this is our main news. DOJ to file in court criminal charges against GMCAC's Dikdikan and 15 others. So tingnan po natin yung news natin. I was looking for the Manila Bulletin pero wala po ko makita. But what I found is this news item from Rappler. DOJ indicts MWIDE Indian partner XX over anti-dummy law. The Department of Justice has indicted top officials of the GMR MWIDE Cebu Airport Corporation or GMCAC and former Mactan Cebu International Airport Authority MCIAA General Manager Steve Dikdikan for allegedly violating the anti-dummy law. In a case briefer sent to reporters by DOJ spokesperson Emeline Aglipay-Villar, the DOJ maintained that the management, control, and operation of GMCAC and operator of the Mactan Cebu International Airport or MCIA should be reserved for Filipino citizens. It said that the GMCAC is considered a public utility corporation. The case stemmed from a complaint filed with the National Bureau of Investigation in relation to the awarding of the 25-year operations and maintenance contract to MWIDE Construction Corporation and its Indian partner GMR Infrastructure Limited for the MCIA in 2014. The case briefer named MWIDE Chief Executive Officer Edgar Saavedra, Executive Director for Infrastructure Manuel Luis Ferrer, GMR Group Chairman Shin Stivas Bomidala, along with 2 other Filipino officials and 10 foreign nationals. DOJ also indicted Dikdikan for knowingly assisting, aiding, abetting the commission of a violation of the anti-dummy law. Dikdikan was suspended by the Ombudsman in December 2020, with him calling the charges obviously politics. In a statement sent to Rappler, MWIDE reiterated that it followed applicable laws. We will respond to this case in the proper fora and do so successfully. MWIDE and its subscribers have always been and continue to be firmly adherent to all applicable laws, rules, and regulations, particularly regarding public-private partnership projects such as the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Okay, so we have this clarification today from MWIDE as disclosed in the PSE. We write with respect to the request for clarification regarding the news article entitled DOJ Index 16 on Anti-Dummy Law posted on the Inquirer naman to. But I will just read the commentary or the response of MWIDE. Ang sabi niya dito, MWIDE Construction Corporation has not yet received any official documents pertaining to the filing of criminal charges against the directors and officers of GMR MWIDE Cebu Airport Corporation for the alleged violation of the anti-dummy law. Rest assured that we will respond to this case in the proper fora, and we do so successfully. MWIDE and subsidiaries have been and continue to be firmly adherent with all applicable laws, rules, and regulations, particularly regarding public-private partnership projects such as the Mactan Cebu International Airport. So yun po yung response ng MWIDE, which Rappler also disclosed. And we'll take a look at MWIDE later. And so let's now take a look at what happened in the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, so the Philippine Stock Exchange gained 35 points or 0.42% up to end at 7213.46, so which is good news. Usually, ang Friday po ay profit-taking day in the PSE. Let's put up our indicators. Okay, so the PSE is still bullish and it's moving up, and yung previous resistance po niya ay nandito po sa area to. Yan, nasa 7,030. 7,000 to 7,030 po yung previous resistance niya na na-breach po noong October 11, tapos nag-consolidate ng konti and with two red candlesticks, and it continued to move up, and our indicators, the 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving average are under the candlestick with RSI bullish at 65. In the meantime, yung market summary po natin, 113 companies advanced, 84 declined, while 45 companies remained unchanged. The all-share index also moved up 0.11%. The sectoral indices, only the holding companies was in the red at 0.03%, pero this is more of a flat result. The financials, industrials, mining, properties, and services are up, led by mining at 2.08%. Now, on the most active stocks, actually we'll be reviewing the following, but before I get to that, let me share some of our comments here, Actually, request po ito ni Junjun Sebastian, COSCO please. And then we have a new subscriber, Jomike Pasamont. So we'll be reviewing COSCO, MWIDE, TEL, GLOW, MER, MPI. Let's take a look now at Ali. And tignan natin ang nangyari sa Ayala Corporation. So the first would be COSCO. Ngayon, si COSCO is just moving sideways. Now, COSCO kasi is the holding company of the owners of Pure Gold, sina Lucio Ko, with support here at 5 pesos. Resistance is here sa area ito. Nasa 6.15, 6.16. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points. But these are areas. Pero sideways to bearish po ang movement ni COSCO at the moment if I take a look at it, ano? Ito po, no, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candlesticks are under already, which would indicate some bullishness. But still, these are red candlesticks eh. Akyat tapos pababa. So I guess it is more of a sideways movement. Sideways movement ang galaw po ni COSCO with support at 516 and supports rather at 5 pesos and resistance at 516. More of a sideways movement po ang COSCO. Then MWIDE, tingnan natin ang naging effect ng news, no? Dito sa MWIDE on the indictment, ano? Yan, negative yung news niya. So it lost 56 centavos today kasi mataas na yesterday eh. It was gaining already, oh. Plus 6.55%, closing at 683, but now it closed at 627, losing 56 centavos. So I wouldn't know, no? Mukhang ano lang to, no? Temporary setback with support at 6 pesos. Resistance is here at 670 to 680. So after MWIDE, tingnan naman natin si TEL. Okay, TEL is just consolidating, and in general, the stock is still bullish as our indicators are under the candlestick. If we will be drawing a Darbas box, dito lang po siya naglalaro, no? Yan po. So the upper level is the support, or the upper level is the resistance, and the lower level is the support at 1604, while resistance is at 1735. And then Glow. Si Glow ay also, it's not consolidating actually, it's moving up. So yung ating indicators, yung 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving average are under the candlestick, with the EMA 20 acting as support. So it's now at 3089 yung kanyang support. However, the resistance, I can place it here on a short term. Yan. Yung 3350, yung short term resistance po ni Globe. And then MER, under MPI po ito. Yan, tumaas si MER. There was a little above average volume, but it's higher than our exponential moving averages, meaning that the stock has turned bullish. Actually, it has turned bullish since mga August 11, August 12, when our indicators started moving under the candlestick. So yung support niya ay nandito po sa EMA 50. Let's take EMA 50 as the support of Manila Electric Company, and the resistance ay medyo malayo-layo yung resistance, but pinakamalapit po niya nandito sa 305 to 310, yung nearest resistance po ni Manila Electric. Then Metro Pacific, tingnan natin kung nagmo-move na po si MPI. Let's move it one day. Yan! It's moving up and it is already bullish. RSI is bullish at 68. Let's see if there is already a trend based on the directional movement. 2519, okay. But based on our exponential moving averages, yung indicators po natin na RSI and the moving averages, bullish na po itong Metro Pacific, with the next resistance at this level at 413. So na-pierce na po niya yung previous resistance level. Ito po yung dati. Yan, nasa 390 yung previous resistance po niya. So na-pierce na po niya, nasa 399, or within resistance area pa rin, but the next resistance will be at 413. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. And then, si Ali naman. Si Ali ay, yan, umaakyat pa rin siya, oh. And there is volume. So, nagkaroon siya ng breakout here on October 11 with volume. Nag-consolidate ng konti, tumaas, although these are short candlesticks, there is volume today. Now, yung ating RSI is overbought. But let's check the DMI. 22. So, overbought nga yan. Ingat po tayo sa Ali dahil anytime po, pagka-overbought po at yung DMI is not showing any, is not above 30, then maaring mag-reverse po yung trend for Ali because the stock is said to be overbought. In the meantime, yung support level, in the next resistance rather, for Ali would be here at 37.40. At yung dating support sa resistance niya na naging support, eto na po siya at 36. Then finally, we have Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation ay magandang balita yata. Yan, tumataas si Ayala. Oh. And this is for the 4th straight day na tumataas yung stock. And this is well under the candlestick, which means that it is bullish. Yung kanyang RSI is at 69, almost overbought. And this is the highest since December 2020 pre-pandemic. So it reached its highest already. Actually, ano na to, resistance level na po siya. Kasi ito po yung highest niya, 858, no? Tapos yung next resistance niya, let's use the 1 week. Yung next resistance po niya after that would be here already, no? Nasa 700 or 972 yung next resistance po ni Ali based on a 1 week chart. Okay po, yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-15 ng Oktubre 2021 at mag-ingat po tayo sa COVID, mag-ingat po tayo sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, have a nice weekend. God bless. Bye for now.